We are TDM Colombia and we are part of TDM Grow. Today, we told you about retaining wall system with synthetic sheet piling. The conventional steel sheet pile solution requires the use of metallic elements. However, the maintenance process by means of sandblasting and application of anti-corrosive paints with high contact on heavy metals generates that the mangrove ecosystem is put at risk. The Colombian government make a high effort to keep the fragility of ecosystem intact, so the road is projected on a large viaduct to allow the intervention as little as possible by maritime and coastal dynamics such as the mangrove area. Although metal sheet piling is a technically viable alternative, its maintenance is not, since the fact of having to change the paint with some periodicity due to the effect of corrosion in the marine environment generates that the paint particles for the sandblasting combined to mangrove area. Therefore, alternative of sheet pile system, in addition of being more economical, become the ideal solution as is not susceptible to corrosion process and he has a long life. In this image, we can see a corrosive process in the steel sheet pile system traditional. The solution was a retaining wall system with CMI polymeric sheet pile system. These sheet pile systems are made in fiberglass reinforced material. The project consists of the construction of shed-type containing structure made from polymer reinforced with FRP fiber, which will support the expansion of the road in the sector of return to Lex viaduct. This containment structure will support the throughs coming for the road fail, which, given the geotechnical condition of mangrove deposit, low resize and high compressibility, a lignite filler composed of expanding polystyrene (EPS) or blocks was proposed. The designer must be considered some topics. Loads 1.0 tons by square meter. The geometry of the maximum free height are to 3.0 and 5.0 meters. We can see in this graph a stratigraphic profile that is composed for very soft clays and tropic fill. The mechanisms of analysis was a typical retaining wall system: boring capacity, bearing, sliding, and rotation systems. In this table, we can see what is the same parameters. There is the dimension of a sheet pile proposed and maximum moments, actuality moments, and admissible moments, and respective security factor. As part of the engineering analysis, routine engineering do a FMI analysis, where to do or where to determine and moments, bending moments and deformation. With this analysis, we can see that the admissible moments are less of a maximum. The actual moments was minor than the maximum allowed moment. In this graph, you can see actual moments, shear stress moments, and displaced grips. All parameters as admissible for the synthetic sheet pile system, and we can conclude that the system is available to this solution. Complement to the before analysis, we can verify that the global stability not only what is the forces and moments actuate in the sheet pile wall, we can determine if the circular failure system is probable. As we can see, this analysis do that if safety factor is 1.9 and is accomplishment to this analysis. Then we can verify what is the settlements of the old system, embankment and MEC sheet pile. Along the time, we can see that the settlements to 30 years are about 0.27 centimeters, and we can see that in during construction the settlements are about 22 centimeters. In other words, we can conclude that before of the construction, the embankment and the sheet pile system will settlement about 5 centimeters. That is a acceptable value for the system. The settlement analysis was done in a settlement 3D that is a rock science element analysis. Finally, we can see the building process. First, we can provide a steel search to can define the alignment of the sheet pile. Before, the EPS filling was put on the subgrade for to can do or to can give a construction level. Before of the fill material, EPS and gravel was put on site, we can do other anchor systems. The system provide deadman in continued deadman in concrete by 1 meters, and the anchors was embankment in this. Finally, we can conclude thanks for your attention.